Once upon a time, in a colorful town made of floating bubbles and candy hills, there lived a wise and friendly owl named Hooty. Hooty was the keeper of the Cozy Corner Library, but he was also known for his excellent knowledge of herbal remedies. The star of our story, Simon, was a little red panda with a perpetual look of curiosity and a huge heart. Simon spent his days exploring the town, making friends with every creature he met. One sunny morning, Simon woke up feeling achy and tired. His normally bushy tail drooped, and his vibrant red fur seemed dull. He sneezed 3 times in a row, sending him tumbling out of his bed. "Oh no!" Simon exclaimed, rubbing his head. "I think I'm sick." Having never been very sick before, Simon wasn't sure what to do. He decided to consult his friend Hooty, who would surely have a remedy for him. Simon put on his little blue scarf, which always made him feel better, and set off to find Hooty. As Simon made his way through Bubble Boulevard, his friends noticed he wasn't his usual bouncy self. Marigold, the blooming dandelion, and Flick, the hyperactive firefly, floated down to check on him. "Simon, you're not looking so good," said Marigold, brushing some of her golden pollen on his nose. That made Simon sneeze again. Flick buzzed around Simon, inspecting him from every angle. "We need to get you to Hooty fast," he declared. Simon tried to smile but only managed a weak grin. The 3 friends hurried along, with Flick lighting the way in front and Marigold keeping Simon's spirits up with her cheerful chatter. When they arrived at the Cozy Corner Library, Hooty was sorting through his collection of ancient scrolls and bottles of shimmering potions. He spotted Simon immediately and fluttered down from his perch. "Simon, dear boy, whatever is the matter?" asked Hooty, his feathers puffing up with concern. Simon explained how he was feeling, and Hooty nodded thoughtfully. "Ah, it seems like you've caught the Snifflebug Blues. But fear not, I have just the thing to help you."